So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So linear equation keyword problem continue to. Okay, this is a very simple question. Okay, let us proceed. A man invested 36,000 rupees, a part of it at 12% and the rest at 15% per annum simple interest. If he received a total annual interest of 4,890, how much did he invest at each rate? So question G is Mi amana nupa amana magi 36,000 lay 36,000 zigi suruk ani thokna khaidu aduga amana 12% invest tore aduga amana 15% invest tore. Okay, adu oitardi mana sigi 12% ka 15% se invest tawusida interest amum karkani 12% ki interest am karkani 15% ki chahi amagi interest am karkani adugi ani do punjalaga total annual interest 4,890 oi. Okay, so mana kaya 12% kaya invest awi 15% kaya invest awi. Okay, so we will analyze the question. Okay, so 36,000 hai natra, so 36,000 paisa si asagi nopa sina ani thokna investor natra investor ba ani si ekoina amana x nen lawrsi amana y nen lawrsi. Okay, adu itadi ahamba sigi structures this da ekoina kari haibiare equation ama phange adu di x plus y is equal to 36,000. We'll call this equation 1. There you go. Now x is 12% in the 12% rate invest out here aduga y is in a 15% interest rate invest out here. Okay, adu itadi magi times kya no times it is the 1 year natra, so we'll call this 1 natra sidazu 1. Okay, see simple interest kya tarani principal into rate into time upon 100. Similarly, y into rate into time upon 100. There go. Now the magi kya tare series 12x by 100 tadarani series na 15y by 100. Okay. Now pangai be interest rate ani je punjal laga kya ta hai 4,890 adu ita series ko ni kai hai bi ara second equation natra 12x by 100 plus 15y by 100 is equal to 4,890. We'll call this equation 2. Okay, so we'll solve this equation. All right. Now solution. Solution is the question is the total amount invested. Yeah, no, ma kya is equal to rupees 36,000. Natra total interest received. Natra mana total interest received to is again rupees 4,890. Okay, so there was let rupees x and rupees y be the two sums invested. And record. Adu ita the ahamba statement today kai have yare koina. From question nadra x plus y is equal to total amount cannot 36,000. We'll call this equation 1. Nadra nothing the rate of interest for the first part or first portion अतरा मैं तो ये तो क्या तारा 12% अतरा अदुरी क्या तारा नहीं simple interest for 1 year अतरा for the first amount अतरा first amount invested से क्या ना 12% sorry x ni na kailani x into 12 into 1 times अतरा 100 okay so we have 12x by 100 there you go mathang da chap mana na rate of interest for the second sum or second part so we have क्या ना माना second क्या the investor we have it should be 15% right okay now adu ita di chap mana na simple interest for 1 year for the second part or second amount adu ita di kya le rahe y into 15 into 1 upon 100 so we have 15y by 100 there you go adi masang da sida kya hai total interest for total amount hai jai natra derived from these investment adi kya tarik sida natra rupees 4890 okay so this is the from question natra हम बता 12x by 100 plus 15y by 100 which is equal to 4890 okay adu ibataradi sida is da equina LCM logirasi 100 so we have 12x plus 15y which is equal to 4890 okay implies that 12x plus 15y is equal to 4890 and see sunakan chakrasi Sila 3 common log bi resi 3 common log bi resi kai tare 4x plus 5y is equal to 48900 implies that 4x plus 5y is equal to 48900 upon 3 nadra adu itadi 4x plus 5y okay so we have 163 0 more 163 000 okay so we have equation 2. So we'll call this equation 2 okay now shiboba lai rahe koin equation 1 ki equation 2 is happy ding se amazina equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 36000 so there is 4x plus 5y is equal to 163,000 adu itadi elimination tawposi elimination taw matamda multiplying equation 1 by 4 equation 1 see 4 ni multiply tawsi so 4 into x plus y is equal to 4 into 36,000 nadra 1 2 3 here so we have 4x plus 4y is equal to 1 4 4 1 2 3 we'll call this equation 3 here so subtracting equation 3 from 2 subtracting equation 3 from 2 equation 2 dagi 3 log thosi natra adudi equation 2 kaina 4x plus 5y natra minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 163 123 minus 144 123 yareko adu itadi 4x plus 5y minus 4x minus 4y is equal to yatarani 19. So it should be 19,000 19,000 yatarani ko adu itadi side x nagre 5y minus 4y is equal to y is equal to 19,000 yareko substituting y is equal to 1900 in equation 1 equation 1 da 19,000 substitute tokta dikaila x plus y is equal to 36,000 lebi natra so we have x plus y again 19,000 which is equal to 36,000 implies that x is equal to 36,000 minus 19,000 natra 36,000 minus 19,000 is 17,000 natra therefore the required amount or part invested at 12% investor within x ni natra so we have rupees 17,000 natra and the required part invested at 15% investor usina y which is equal to rupees 19,000 okay so this is how you solve this question this is how any amount asai simple interest ki pot ek lakh ko koi season agadori bisi formula simple interest is equal to PRT by 100 sigi je adum season araga question khuding mak approach tawani okay so I hope you had fun learning this question anyways thanks for joining Anchor classes and we'll meet again.